Craving real Neapolitan pizza? Let's make it from scratch, just like in Naples. Start by mixing 400 grams of Tipo 00 flour, 1 to 2 grams of dry yeast, 8 grams of fine sea salt, and 270 to 300 grams of room temperature water. Knead for 8 minutes until the dough is smooth and slightly tacky. Let it rest for 30 to 45 minutes at room temperature. Then divide into two 200-gram balls and refrigerate for 24 to 48 hours. On pizza day, take the dough out 1 hour before baking. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius with a pizza stone inside for at least 45 minutes. Make a simple sauce: crushed San Marzano tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, salt, and optional oregano. No cooking needed. Stretch the dough gently by hand to about 25 to 30 centimeters, leaving a nice airy rim. Top with the sauce, drained mozzarella, and fresh basil leaves. Slide it onto the hot stone and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the crust is golden and bubbly. Once out of the oven, finish with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and optional grated Parmigiano. And there you have it. Authentic Neapolitan pizza, fresh, airy, and delicious.